Hey guys, good morning. So I thought I would vlog today because I'm meeting up with April, WannaMakeup, and we're gonna go shopping today at IKEA and this place that's called Jungle Gyms, which is also in Cincinnati. They have like a bunch of international like food and stuff like that from other countries, so we're gonna go there, and who knows where else we may go. We may stop by some places to look at makeup. You know how it goes. We're getting some Starbucks, and I'm boring because I got a flat white.
So true. Can I just get a flat white?
Well, sometimes I get caramel macchiato, but I don't know. I just don't want to go sweet overboard because I know we probably have a lot of snackies. Well, actually, we both got one of these. Pumpkin scone. Lipstick. On the rim. Mom, are we there yet? Mom, are we there? I'm sorry to
How 36 minutes.
Did I guess the time go down? It said it was going to take us 2 hours to get here, and it should have only been like an hour and 30. And then at one point, the GPS was like, what did it say? Something about
Unexpected traffic.
your route is going to be longer than expected. Yeah. You're like, oh, thanks for that update. Debbie Downer.
Debbie Downer turned around. What'd she say?
She said, I don't know.
Traffic is cleared. You should arrive at your destination on time. Like, thank you.
We were already talking about going to Sephora.
We got to make our trips fast, in and out, so we can go to more.
So, what are you wanting to get at the IKEA, or are you just wanting to look around?
I'm wanting to look around, but I'm eyeing the 9 drawer, the tall one.
Yeah, is it going to fit here if you get it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it should. It should once you lay the seats down, because they usually have them in boxes where it's all loaded up anyway.
Yeah, we'll have to go see how big it is before, but I just basically want to look because whenever I bring my husband, he's like so overwhelmed. He's like, "Are you done? Are you done? Are you done?" And I was like, "I need to look. Like, I want to see how they have everything set up."
I know. That's the cutest thing about IKEA.
I know.
The last time I came up here, we didn't go through that part. Like, I already knew what I was going to get, like, I planned it out. So we just went straight to the warehouse because, like, Josh didn't want to go through and look at all the stuff.
Yeah.
Thanks, Josh. I don't know. Maybe he wouldn't have cared, but probably
Josh
would've.
and Derek are twinsies.
Guys just don't like looking at stuff like that. They're just not like women. We want to see how things are all set up, all cutesy.
Yeah.
Play house.
Plus, it gives me inspiration. Even if I don't buy it, I'm like, I'll take pictures and then I'll want to set my house up like that. So I just want to walk through and look.
I need something to hold the camera in my hand. Can we sit it here? Your phone won't work. You're not even in frame. Alright, we'll just film when we get there. Oh, here we go. We can see it. There's IKEA. Such dorks.
It's the small things in life.
I think we get excited about IKEA because it's not close to us. It takes at least 2 hours to get there.
Right.
So it's like, woohoo, trip.
Road trip.
Like a special place. Stop focusing on the raindrops. Focus on IKEA.
Focus on the happiness in front of us.
It keeps focusing on the raindrops.
And it's not busy. I've always come here on a weekend and you can't find a parking spot.
Yeah, it's probably because it's Monday and everybody's at work.
Oh my gosh, it's our happy special day.
This is the next happiest place next to Target. I guess, and Starbucks.
And Sephora and Ulta.
True.
I did MapQuest all the Ultas around here too.
Is there anything close?
Yeah, there was. Like on our way back to Jungle Gyms. I was
Okay,
like,
maybe
yes.
we'll stop there. It's so funny because at the beginning of this, before you picked me up, I did like a little intro and I was like, we're going to go to IKEA and Jungle Gyms. And I was like, we'll probably stop at some makeup places too.
Of course.
You know, wouldn't be complete without.
No.
I like how they have the lit up like cabinets.
Yeah, but I would never keep it that clean.
If it was just me, I could, but
Yeah, true.
sometimes even, you know, with Josh, it's a struggle to keep things clean. So I can only imagine what it's like with kids. Oh, those are cool. I like those hanging plant things. I could keep my cats off of my plants. Oh, couches. Couches. How much is it?
40.
That's not bad. It's too bad you can't flip the camera around on this thing as you're filming.
Oh, you can.
It is definitely raining some cats and dogs out there. See, April, you could get that picture of the leaves and put it with the...
It is still looking over here.
Yeah. I like this. Can I have this in my kitchen? Teacher April is here. She's going to teach us.
Class.
Yeah, this would be huge. I wouldn't have enough room in my room for that.
I would if I just connected it to my, like this is my desk now.
Your purse is so cute. Thank you. We're in the bathroom.
We're in the shower.
Look at how pale I am compared to April, people. I'm a ghost. The
I'm
lipstick
so
doesn't
warm.
help because it makes me look even more pale. Do you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
I'm a ghost. The ghost of IKEA's past.
We're just hiding in the bathroom.
There's no shower head, so we can't take a shower. I do like this little setup, though.
I love this. Like, this is the cutest
So
studio
clean and, like,
apartment.
fresh. It's like, oh, we're just going to lay down on the bed. Can't see
Can you
anything.
see yourself?
No, I can only see my legs, unfortunately. I do like this little thingy. I'm gonna make everybody seasick because I'm moving it around so much. I like how this just opens. It's like very. Whoo. April, fix me some lunch.
Oh, I was gonna make you a drink.
Oh, okay, that works. Where's my drink?
No, nothing to put in it.
I'm just joking.
Let me see if I got anything in the fridge. Nope.
Oh, we're fresh out. Gonna have to go to the grocery.
Dang it.
I like this little thing. I don't know why. It looks
Yeah,
cute.
It's so cute. You can get all these little plants. And
My
like
cats
little-
would just try to eat that, even though it's not real. Pepper and
it.
Salem would be like, "Oh, I want to eat that."
Look at all this
I like this
storage.
fridge.
Like, if this was a studio apartment, you
Yeah.
would, like, oh,
Have so much.
yeah.
Yeah, I do really like this. So fresh and clean and happy.
It reminds me of, like, an Airbnb. Like, a
Yeah. Be like, "Can we rent this, please? We just want to stay here for a minute."
Can this be my bathroom, please?
I like these lights on the side.
Look how cute this is.
It is cute. Dressing table in here.
I would die
I like
in
this.
a closet this big.
I
I'm not
know.
kidding.
I would go crazy.
Like, I
Makeup by Tiffany D.
can- Would anyone like a closet tour?
Could you
Go
please
on.
show? Okay.
Here's all my Louboutins.
Ooh, fancy. I like how you're like smacking, smacking
Here's all
the
my
price tag.
Gucci bags and my Louboutins.
That
over
guy that
here.
walked by was like, "What?"
Tell them they got a sister.
Oh, they would probably like it.
I know.
I love how you were like, even with that one, you're like, "Oh, look how cute," and then you're like, just toss it. You like just
Like I
throw
said.
this back in there. We're on the road again.
We're trying to find food.
Yeah, we're hungry. We just walked all over IKEA and my feet are starting to hurt now. But I gotta break in these shoes more because I'm gonna take these shoes with me to IMATS later this week. So I tried to talk April into going to IMATS, but she decided she'd rather go to the beach.
That's true.
That's what they need to do. They need to have IMATS at the beach.
For real. I would go.
That would be the perfect. So I didn't buy anything at IKEA, but April did, and she got a chair.
A new chair. Yep.
She got some legs for her desk because she's going to do some rearranging of her stuff, and she got some little cubes for her son.
Yeah.
So
I came in way under budget, so now I can go buy something else.
some more makeup or something.
Yeah, we're looking for an Ulta. For sure.
Hopefully it's better than the one we had back home. I'm hoping that new one that they... Shut up.
She hates you.
I hate you. I hope that the new Ulta that they're opening up back home is better than our other Ulta. The one that they're opening up in the mall. It better be. I mean, it better be 2 floors.
No. She told me it's not.
What are they doing with the other floor?
It's still going to be Forever 21. They're going to be upstairs, and then Ulta's going to be downstairs. And I said, well, is it bigger than this? And she said, slightly smaller.
Than the one
Just slightly.
It's going to be slightly smaller than the one over in the other one? What? That's cool. Chewy's, people.
I love their chips and salsa. I could just get chips and salsa.
I know, me too. That's how I am at Omaha.
I know.
National Taco Day. That's tomorrow. Or no, it's Thursday. That's when I'm going to IMAX.
That's 10-4.
Oh, never mind. We got a while. I just saw Thursday and I was thinking this Thursday. Cute. Oh, look at the picture.
I love their little candles.
Oh, yeah, that's cute. Doritos. It's decorated so cute. Is the one where we live like this? Because I haven't been in that one forever, so I don't remember.
The one by the mall.
Yeah.
Like,
We should get a show.
oh, yeah. The taco.
I like the havoc.
You need that. Every time I see a cat thing, I'm like, you need that.
Alright, what am I going to get to eat? I don't know. Okay, so I thought about getting the fajitas, but I think it's going to be way too much food for lunch. So I think I might just get the quesadillas. Chips and salsa. Did you decide what you're getting?
I'm gonna get a salad and a quesadilla.
Yum.
They sold out like every hour. Like they open and sell out in an hour.
Well, hopefully that place ain't sold out. So this is my quesadillas that I demolished and totally forgot to film. And this is April's food that she also demolished, forgot to film. But lunch was very, very good. Very tasty. Look, they got the Tutti Frutti on the outside.
Cute.
I will say that is a cute collection, but I had no desire to get that.
Why? Can I
Because
change
it's
your
too
mind?
expensive for what it is.
But it's so cute. I don't know. I mean, I like certain things. I didn't think the whole collection was like a must.
Like those eyeshadow palettes, like I would never get any of those because they're too expensive for what they are. You're basically paying for the packaging.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
It's cute though. I will admit
I saw
that.
Candy Johnson next to her picture, like standing there going, oh.
Hello.
It's so beautiful.
It did look really pretty on your eyes. Look, the dent. The dent.
The dent. Everybody gets it, I guess.
Yeah, it must have been a flaw whenever they made it.
I wanted to see these.
Oh, those do look pretty. See, like, I hate stuff like this, though, because it probably leaves glitters on your lips after it wears off. Oh, excuse me.
This is for your lips.
Well, some people have lip things like that.
Well, like, some of them are more glittery, I think. But yeah, I felt like it did leave glitter.
Because I can't stand that.
What time do you leave? These are pretty.
That's kind of pretty, though. I like that shade. I like a champagne.
This is called Honey Please. It almost has like a pink base. Do you see
Yeah, it's kind of like a pinky champagne. That is pretty. Now, see, like something like that I would get because it's different. You can't just get that at the drugstore necessarily. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If it's something different, I don't mind to spend the money on it. But if it's something you can just get anywhere, it's like... Hold on, let me film it. It looks like so real, like that baby's really in front of that.
It's so cute. That baby fills me.
Yeah. Do they have the foundation? Because I want...
No, it's only in England right now. I know, I'm so pissed about
Well,
it.
then how are, like, these American YouTubers getting it?
They're sending them Mm-hmm. It's not fair.
No.
Like, make it all.
I do love this palette though.
Do you need a highlight or what? It's like as big as my.
It's gonna last
bigger
you a
than
hot
my
minute. I
hand.
have no desire to try this though.
Let me see.
The stick foundation.
I kind of do. Why?
I don't like stick foundations. All the ones I've ever tried are horrible. I might need to get a different concealer though, because I did get this concealer, but I need C2, and of course they don't have C2. I got C1, and C1's too
I didn't
light.
like that.
I think I can't. I feel like the shade I have is a little too light.
That is for a dry person.
It's too creamy. But let me stop. Beep, beep. I feel like we're tourists. You know, like
Everybody's like, they're not from here.
We've never been to Target. Starbucks smells good. Start 2 Starbucks in one day.
Is this their dollar section?
Phew, I don't know, but it's looking pretty fancy.
No. Wow, mine doesn't look like this.
Mine doesn't either. It's always like a destruction.
So cute. That little pumpkin.
Those are cute.
Kitty cute. Oh, do you just put a candle in those? I love those
I
little blue
guess.
pumpkins.
Yeah, probably like maybe tea light candle. I'm assuming. Oh no.
Oh, I used to buy the babes these all the time.
I know my mom used to always get us socks like at Valentine's Day or like whatever.
Like every occasion.
Little kitty cat. Where's its ears?
Julie, why did you spell that?
I couldn't help myself.
Oh, I love it. Oh, look at the baby tacos. Isn't that the cutest?
That is cute.
What if I just had tacos behind me? They'd be like, you hungry?
Like little cacti. So I'm gonna get this sweater, and I totally failed because I meant to try this on to show you guys what it looked like. But maybe I'll show you later this afternoon when I get home, or tomorrow or something. It's probably gonna be so late when I get home.
I thought this was on clearance, but it's not.
What is it?
It's that pretty palm leaf picture,
Oh yeah.
but it's on the clearance section.
Palm leaves are so in right now. They're trending.
Trending. White pumpkin latte.
Ooh, I bet that smells good.
Let's see.
Sneak.
I could be down.
I like that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I
It's
like
like
the
a-
after smell.
It's got like a grapefruit or something in it, like a fruity.
It's like when you first smell it, it has a freshness, but then at the end it's like creamy.
Smell it. That's the same one, but closed off. I bought a bunch of these last time I was at TJ Maxx,
Mm-hmm.
and I hate them.
What, the reed diffuser or that scent?
They don't know the reed diffuser.
Oh,
They don't put off enough smell.
yeah. You can only smell them when you're like right up next to
I
them.
know. Why didn't anyone tell me that?
See where it says "Taste of the Jungle."
Oh yeah.
So have you been to this one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
is the
because
first
this is the one that I've been to.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm filming other things, but not us. People are gonna be like, "Where
Here
y'all
we
at?"
are. Here's a pumpkin. These are so cute. Look at the little white one. Oh, they have a green pumpkin.
Where? Oh, down there. This is kind of pretty to set up. It's definitely gotten a lot warmer today, I swear.
I know. Oh, that's a white one.
I like it when you carve them and it's like the inside is kind of orange.
Another.
It's in love. It was like your perfume. Oh god, it's coming after me now.
Nuh-uh.
We're at Jungle Gyms. say hi. I was like, we've been filming other stuff and not us, so it's like you guys aren't even seeing us. That was a good lighting situation. Now this
Was
is
it?
bad. This is bad lighting now because it's like all the lights behind.
We'll just walk backwards.
Oh yeah,
and
we had a bee attacking us a second ago. Bee.
it loved us because we're so sweet.
Yes.
Start your carts.
They don't have international makeup here.
That sucks.
They do have like all the cheeses and stuff that you can sample.
They do.
I think. Or they have some stuff you can sample anyway.
I feel like I need wine to sample. You know what I'm saying?
Me too. Some cheese and wine.
Gosh, I want everything.
I think this is supposed to be carrot cake. What do you think? Carrot cake
What is
truffle.
this supposed to be?
Bacon.
England. I didn't even see that.
Is there anything in Holland? We should look.
We need our Holland subbies to tell us what to get. Ooh, this looks good. It's salty.
You can get little shoes.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, you can get some licorice.
Jelly babies. She sent me that.
Is that like a thing there? I feel like Micah's told me something about these before.
ketchup chips?
Yeah, it says Toronto, Canada. I kind of want to try that. I love ketchup and I love chips. What's not to love?
So true.
If they don't,
Corn and black bean salsa.
this is the saddest Canadian spot ever.
Does it go all the way to the corner?
No, but it's like you need more syrups than this. I'm just saying. It's Canada, people. I want to say that Mike has brought some syrups home like that before. Yeah. They do have some really good syrup up there.